Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple videos on one screen using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor and then I'm going to create new project. Okay, click on the plus button and then new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose a video based. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the VN stocks here and I'm going to choose this black background. I'm going to use this to be my background. Click on next. Okay, and you will be able to customize the ratio. Click on this option and then you're going to choose the ratio. I'm going to choose this one, the ratio for YouTube video. Alright, and if you want to add multiple video guys, you can use the PIP feature right here. Click on the PIP and then you're going to choose photos, and then you just need to select the video that you want to add to your project. And I'm going to choose video from this download album. Okay, for the first video I'm going to choose this one. Alright, and then you can arrange your video like this. It's up to you. And if you want to add more videos, you can click on this icon again, select photos, and then I'm going to add this one. Okay, I'm going to arrange the videos. Alright, and I'm going to add more videos. Okay, for the third video, I'm going to choose this one, for example, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, now it's done. As you can see guys, that multiple videos have been added to my project. Okay, and then I'm going to play it. Okay, alright, this is for the final result. Okay, basically if you want to add multiple videos, you can use the PIP feature and VN Video Editor. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add multiple videos on one screen using VN Video Editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.